WSP Shopping Plaza, are you ready? You can do better than that. Let's go again. WSP Shopping Plaza, are you ready? There we go. Let's count it down together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Go. All right. Everybody but John has pitched the fork and going straight with their hands, but John is using his fork and it's working out quite well for him there.
Yeah, the forks don't really last long anyways, you know?
I totally forgot whose name is who, so I'll have to refer to everybody by what they're wearing. Unfortunately, 3 guys are wearing black, so that really helps. So I'm going to go. The front, Guam 1 and Guam 2 in the back, LA in the front. That's where we're going with. Again, if you want to see tonight's video footage of the contest, go to Facebook.com, search for WSP Shopping Plaza, be a big fan of ours, and you can see all the video footage of our previous contests as well as tonight's contest as well. Jump just a little bit and swallow it through your mouth and you're done. You're done. One more swallow. Okay, swallow it through your mouth. And you'll be done. There it is. Round number 1 is our first final. Michael is our first finals. We're still looking for the second one here. And it could be between. Okay, swallow it through your mouth. Swallow it through your mouth. A little preemptive celebration there. It's going to be an all-Guam final. Let's give it up for our 2 finalists, Justin and Michael, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a round of applause to our other 2 contestants here, David and John. Let's count them down together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Go, go, go. All right, so they're starting off with roast beef stacks and Arby's. Michael did an interesting strategy. He compacted that sound to get all that air out of the gum, and that could be a very smart strategy there. I like this hosted strategy. And Justin now matches. This is a difficult starting meal, and there's a lot of bread here. That's hard to put down, and of course, a lot of roast beef. It looks like Michael's the first to finish, and now he's moving on to the soft chocolate. Justin's close behind. Got about 2 bites left of his sandwich there. Or 1. Again, if you want to see a video for tonight's contest, go to Facebook.com, search for WSP Shopping Plaza, become a fan of ours. You can see the video footage of tonight's contest right there. And now Justin on to the soft chocolate as well.
Does it matter that you guys are friends?
There are no friends when it comes to speed eating.
Go competing. Alright. We actually had some contestants kind of like have dinner together on the stage, so.
These are not friends like that. These guys are all about honor and competition. Now, Michael's almost done with his cup of water. That could be detrimental. Again, it's only 1 cup of water. He's got to use it sparingly. Meanwhile, Justin has conserved his water. He's still got 3/4 of a cup there, but he is behind.
Alright, this is when you guys know you have a little more than 2 minutes left on the clock. You can look at it.
That's the barbecue chicken plate. It's a scoop of white rice, a piece of barbecue chicken, come from behind.
And we said you don't take for dinner tonight, right?
Right, Michael just about finished with his pizza. Now he is on to the barbecue chicken plate. See if he can do it without making that one sip of water left. Let's see if he can do it.
Remember, you must be the first to swallow and keep it in for 10 seconds before you win the show. 10 seconds. Not that long.
Justin is struggling. Still on the soft top, but he's got quite a bit of distance to gain here.
I think these guys can finish this in a minute. Feeling sick? Not good. Remember, we have a bucket for you.
Bucket to hold a lot of food here, and we're hitting our 1 minute market, so we've got 1 minute left on our clock.
We have our timekeeper here.
As it looks like right now, Michael still holds the lead, so if the time limit does expire at this rate, Michael would be the winner. Let's see if he can keep that lead there. You get the money. If you win, you get the $100 cash prize. Well, don't give Justin a chance. Justin might be... This is... Okay, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, he went out from the bag. It's over.
Alright, it's over.
Your winner, ladies and gentlemen, at $100, which is give up for Michael.
Now you can go out if you want to.
This is really disgusting. All right, now, in the case you grab that purple card, Michael would win. Then you guys just won yourself a free round of golf at the Big Kahuna 3D Miniature Glow Golf. Come here and see Monique, and she will give you your coupon. Again, bring your purple cards. Monique, and she'll give you your coupon for a free round of golf at the Big Kahuna 3D Miniature Glow Golf.